Now I know my rib is too long for my cutting board. I'm gonna cut this up in like 3 pieces later, but I'm gonna leave it intact right now so I can show you guys how to remove the membrane. Now you want to find a good spot, preferably on the end. I'm just testing at the middle right here because I know how to do this, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it the right way. You want to actually start from the end, the best end. The bigger side is the best for me, for you. But what you want to do is take your little butter knife and just kind of like work it up under the skin. Try not to poke a hole in it. Don't go too fast. You just want to make a slot big enough to get your finger in. And once you're able to get your finger in, you're going to kind of just work that membrane off of those ribs like this here. And once I get this pulled off, we're going to pull it back off towards the shorter side of the membrane so we can have something to grab on, because this stuff is real slick. You see that? You can't pull that with your hand. Grab you a napkin. We're going to hold that slick membrane with this napkin and just slowly pull it off like this here. Keep grabbing it closer to the rib so it don't rip out your hand or tear the membrane. And just pull it off slow and it all will stay intact. Just like that there, folks. And there it is. Membrane is removed.